Hey there, welcome back to the channel everybody. Today I will be making lemon pepper barbecue pork chops. The pork chops on the left, the thinner ones, are for my girlfriend. She will not be having barbecue sauce on hers. She will just be having seasoning and lemons. And 2-inch thick pork chops on the right. Those will be mine. No, I'm not going to eat them all, but I'm sure I'm going to have to share some with the guys at work tomorrow. As you can see, we got lemons in the background. We're going to lay those up on top of the pork chops. And as we flip them, we will be putting fresh lemons on. And these will be the seasonings of choice. She will be having 24 herbs and spices seasoning, where I will be having the Kinder's cracked pepper and lemon. Let's get these all seasoned up and get them on the Traeger. I'll be cooking these at 325 degrees until they reach an internal temperature of 145 juicy degrees. All right, let's get these things all seasoned up. Let's put the lemons on top now. All right, let's close it up and we'll monitor the temps as it goes. All right, we're at 30 minutes in. Let's see where our temps are at. We're pretty close on the small ones. And the bigger ones, let's see. Got a little ways to go on these. We're going to flip them all. Alright, one more quick check. Yeah, the big one's got a little ways to go, but I'm going to be putting barbecue sauce on mine. She's not getting barbecue sauce. Hers will be coming off here very shortly. Alright, hers are done. Let's get them off. Okay, for mine, I'm going to be adding this Kinder's mild barbecue sauce. All right, let's get these lemons off. Alright, we're getting ready to pull these off here very shortly. It's getting dark, as you can see, but we're almost done cooking. That one's pretty much done. This one is pretty much done. And that one is pretty much done. I'm going to turn the heat down so this barbecue sauce can caramelize. Alright, it's time to get these off. Let's cut into one of these and see how juicy it is. There you have it. Nice and juicy. All right, let's give this a try and see how it turned out. turned out perfectly. As always, thank you for watching, everybody. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.